Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning Lounge. So today we learn about cooking vocabulary and cooking with sentence. Okay, let's go. First one is I am cutting potatoes. I am washing fruits and vegetables. I am chopping vegetables. I am peeling carrots. I am slicing cucumber. I am grating carrots. I am frying chicken. I am spreading the butter. I am poaching egg. I am whisking eggs. I am scrambling eggs. I am boiling eggs. I am cracking eggs. I am melting chocolate. I am baking cake. I am mashing potatoes. I am pouring water. I am whipping the cream. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.